Hello and welcome to Rate My Gear. Today I've got a video review of these Farabi quick boxing wraps. These are like gel wraps. So basically these are some cheap wraps that you can buy from Farabi Sport. I've done a review of the Farabi Sport Target Leather Series boxing gloves. If you guys are interested in that, that'll be on the channel as well. And yeah, these are the Farabi Sport gel quick wraps. I got these in pink. These do look a little bit gross because I've trained in them quite a lot. But yeah, basically all they are is a fabric cloth sleeve with, I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. They've got like the gel padding inside of the actual wrap. You can see it a little bit better underneath as well. So you can see that there. They've got the gel padding in the knuckle. And these ones don't have a thumb on them either. It's a thumbless. And they come with a little bit of wrap as well. These come in a variety of colours. Again, these are pink. You can also get them in black, red, blue, yellow, I think. I can't remember. I know for certain you can get them in black, red, blue and yellow. These are, I believe, the small/medium. They come in two sizes, small/medium or large/XL. And basically, just slip them on. These are a good fit for me. As you can see each one of my knuckles there with a decent amount of padding on the front of them, and it goes all the way back to this portion of your hand here. Comfortable on the inside. Doesn't cut off my circulation with my thumb here with this kind of this white stitch pipe in here. Doesn't cut off my thumb at all, my circulation. And again, you've got this wrap to go around. You go around this way with the wraps, you actually follow the seams. So there's the seam there, and you go over, as you can see. And just like any other quick wrap, you just wrap straight over that there. Now, you can get a good 1, 2, 3, 4 wraps on with these. There you go. There is your quick wrap. Now, these are good if you're just coming into the gym and you want to really quickly wrap your hands and you don't really want to have to spend all the time manually wrapping your hands. I'd say these are good for that. I'm not exactly sure you would get the same amount of protection from these as you would from a traditional hand wrap. Obviously the benefits with your traditional hand wraps as well is that you can wrap around your thumb, around your wrist, and it gives you that modular. However, you know, if you want to emphasize the wrist support, you can wrap more your wrist. If you want more knuckle support with traditional wraps, these are what you see is what you get. Another thing that I'm not really a big fan of is if you really want to pull that tight for wrist support, when you get to the Velcro here, the Velcro isn't long enough, so you end up with all of this extra Velcro. These retail for $7.99 on Amazon, I'm pretty sure. And to be fair, for a quick wrap, they will do the job. They fit really nicely and they're fairly protective. Another thing you can do is you can wrap a little bit further up as well if you want more support on the back of your hand, or you know, more towards your hand on your wrist as well. You can wrap like that as well instead of just on your wrist, which is usually what I like to do because I feel I get more of an even kind of shock absorption for my wrist there. Pretty simple design. You've got the colour, you've got the white piping, you've got Farabi Fitness on the front, and you've got this kind of gold badging. Whatever colour you get with your main wraps will synchronise with that. But that's pretty much my review, quick little review here of my Farabi Fitness quick wraps. If you guys will give me a moment. I'm also going to be comparing these to the Gallant Boxing quick wraps that I also have, which are very, very similar, but of course from Gallant. If you enjoyed this video, do let me know. Let me know if there's anything you would like to see me review, and I hope you all enjoyed. That's it for the Farabi Fitness gel quick wraps or inner gloves, and I'll see you all on the next one. So for now, thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.